Hello. Kon pale nan téléphone pas vrai? Ou kon tout ça pour dire en créole, mais malheureusement en anglais, ou limité. Eh bien, gardez vidéo leçon ça avec pour qu'on apprenne pile phrase. On commencer. Bon, je vais retirer lunette là pour me carrer plus bien. On allez. I'm talking about phone, messages, English phrases. We are just practicing phrases. You are learning Haitian Creole and at the same time you are learning English phrases. Par exemple, si vous parlez dans téléphone avec un monde, vous doit dire non, après ou après. M'après ou après. M'après ou après, you dit ça en anglais, I'll call you after.
I'll call you after.
Ou capable de dire tout, I'll call you later, m'après ou pita. D'accord? That is said in Haitian Creole, m'après ou après. M'après ou après. Okay, I'll call you after. C'est comme ça qu'on est capable de dire phrase là. And the second sentence, deuxième phrase, c'est téléphone moins ap fermé. When you're running out of charge, for example, téléphone on peut le discharge, il peut le fermer. It's going to turn off. Ou capable de dire ça, téléphone moins ap fermé. On parle à un monde là, on dit, regardez, téléphone moins ap fermé, téléphone moins le fermer. Ou dit ça, my phone is about to turn off. My phone is about to turn off is said in Haitian Creole, téléphone moins ap fermé. D'accord? Téléphone moins ap fermé. That's right. Let's go to the third sentence. On a la troisième phrase là. It is, ou te recevoir message moyen? That's a question. Est-ce que ou te recevoir message moyen? You can say it this way. Est-ce que ou te recevoir message moyen? Or, ou te recevoir message moyen? The tone, because it's a question. C'est une question. Ou te recevoir message moyen? All right. Did you receive my message? Did you receive my message? You say that in Creole. Ou te recevoir message moyen? All right. Ou te recevoir message moyen? Did you receive my message? And number 4, mwen pat wè message wè. Mwen pat wè message wè. For contraction, you say mwen pat. Mwen pat wè message wè. In English, I didn't see your message.
I didn't see your message.
I didn't see your message. I didn't see your message. I didn't see your message. Mwen pat wè message wè. I didn't see your message. Mwen pat wè message wè. I didn't see your call. Mwen pat wè appel wè. Mwen pat wè appel wè. Instead of saying message now, you can say appel. Appel for call. Okay. I didn't see your message. Mwen pat wè message wè. I didn't see your call. Mwen pat wè appel wè. That's great. And number 5, relèman quoi? Tant pris. If you don't want to say tant pris, you can say s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît are the same thing. Tant pris and s'il vous plaît are the same thing. Okay, you say that, call me back, please.
Call me back, please.
Call me back, please. Relèm mwen or relèm for contraction. Relèm encore. Tant pris. Call me back, please. And number 6, ban mwen numéro. Give me your number.
Give me your number.
Give me your number. Give me your number. You cannot say, ban mwen ou numéro. No. Ban mwen ou numéro, no. Doesn't sound good. You say, ban mwen numéro ou. In English, you say, give me your number. But in Haitian Creole, you say, ban mwen numéro ou. All right, let's practice once more. M'après ou après. I'll call you after. Or I'll call you back. Téléphone mwen ap fermé. My phone is about to turn off. Téléphone mwen ap fermé. Ou te recevoir message moyen? Did you receive my message? Ou te recevoir message moyen? Mwen pat wè message wè. I didn't see your message. Mwen pat wè appel wè. I didn't see your call. Relè mwen ankor tan pri. Call me back, please. Relè mwen ankor tan pri. Call me back, please. Ban mwen numéro ou? Give me your number. And number 7, mwen pa jwen sinyal la. Mwen pa jwen signal la. Mwen pa jwen réseau ici à la. I don't have signal here.
I don't have signal here.
I don't have signal here. Mwen pa jwen signal la. Mwen, I don't pa have jwen ou bien genyen signal la here. Okay, I don't have signal here. Mpa gen signal la ou bien pa jwen signal la. Okay. And number 8, m'a voye photo aba ou. M'a voye photo aba ou. I'll send you the picture.
I'll send you the picture.
Can you say that together? I'll send you the picture. Okay. Say that. M'a voye photo aba ou. Let's say that together. M'a voye photo aba ou. You know, m'a voye photo aba ou, tade? Ma voye photo about. I'll send you the picture. Good. Number 9. Ou ka cheke téléphone ou? That's a question. Est-ce que ou ka cheke téléphone ou? Or, ou ka cheke téléphone ou? You say that. Can you check your phone? Can you check your phone? Can you check your phone? Ou ka cheke téléphone ou? Hey, Daniel, can you check your phone? Hey, Daniel, ou ka cheke téléphone ou? Oh, let me do that right now. Bam fè sa kounya. Yeah. I did. Oui. Fè sa, oui? Check téléphone, moi. Ka check téléphone ou, Daniel? Can you check your phone? Yeah. I text you a message. Mwen voye un message ba ou. Mwen text you un message. Okay, good. M'pa katande ou. Mwen pa katande ou. M'pa katande ou. I can't hear you.
I can't hear you.
Yeah. M'pa katande ou. Parle pi fort. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. M'pa katande ou. I can't hear you. Appel la coupe. Hello, hello, hello. Appel la coupe. Oh, m'pa katande ou. I can't hear you. The call dropped.
The call dropped.
Appel la coupe. The call dropped. The call dropped. I can't hear you. M'pa katande ou. I can't hear you. Hello, I can't hear you. Oh, the call dropped. Appel la coupe. The call dropped. Ajoute-m sur WhatsApp. Hey, ajoute-m sur WhatsApp. Ajoute-m sur WhatsApp. Add me on WhatsApp. Add me on WhatsApp. Add me on WhatsApp. Ajoute-moi sur WhatsApp. Ajoute-m sur WhatsApp. Add me on WhatsApp. Number 13. Voye adresse la ban mwen. Voye adresse la ban mwen. Voye adresse la ban mwen. Send me the address.
Send me the address.
Send me the address is in Haitian Creole. Voye adresse la ban mwen. Could you send me the address? Yeah, I'll send you the address right now. I'll send you the address right away. Ma voye adresse la ban konya. Voye adresse la ban mwen. Send me the address, please. Yeah, I'll send you the address right now. Ma voye adresse la ban konya. 14. Ma cheke message ou apita. Okay? Can you check your phone? I texted you a message. Ma cheke message ou apita. I'll check your message later. I'll check your. It's not you, it's your. I'll check your message later. Ma cheke message ou apita. I'll check your message later. Ma cheke message ou apita. Can you check your phone? Ou ka cheke téléphone ou? I texted you a message. Mwen text you a message. Oh, I'll check your message later. Ma cheke message ou apita. When I have time. Lem gen tan. Lem mwen gen tan. Lem gen tan. When I have time. Yeah. Mwen okipe kounya. Mwen okipe kounya. Paske mwen okipe kounya. I'm busy right now. Because I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. I'll check your message later. Ma cheke message ou apita mwen okipe kounya. Anon pratike ankon. Let's practice again. Mwen pa jwen signal la. I don't have signal here. I don't have signal here. Ma voye photo about. I'll send you the picture. I'll send you the picture. Ou ka cheke téléphone ou? Can you check your phone? M'pa katande ou. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. M'pa katande ou. Appel la coupe. The call dropped. The call dropped. Appel la coupe. Ajoute-m sur WhatsApp. Add me on WhatsApp. Add me on WhatsApp. Ajoute-m sur WhatsApp. Add me on WhatsApp. Voye adresse la ban mwen. Send me the address. Send me the address. Voye adresse la ban mwen. Send me the address. Ma cheke message ou apita. I'll check your message later. I'll check your message later. Mwen okipe kounye ya. I'm busy right now. Fèm konen sou apren nou bagay de nouvo. Eske ou remen yo ou ka pratike ansam. Lò nan telefon ou kon ki sa pou di. Pratike, practice makes perfect. Pratike deux langues yo ansam. If you're learning Haitian Creole, say them again and again so that you can be able to say them. If you practice, you'll be better. And if you're learning English, say them again and again so that you can be able to say them. My name is Daniel. Non, mwen se Daniel. Nap kwaze nan lot pi bel leçon kon sa. E fèm konen si leçon sa interese yo, ma pote lot ki ape prel nan lot domen. Ankon. D'accord? Nap kwaze. E pa jam bliye sa. Pou toujou like, pou toujou partager leçon yo. Sou pa ko abone, fè sa konya, e pi ki ton mesaj pou mwen, ma kontan repon nou. Ciao.